ayi bibi wo what to say
oh ye what de e no kre batakari adoso nti ama wo hu kra mo papa e no kwasem pa se bi mu ye ade bi mu awu e won sase to e ho bi mu aboka yie na emom se obeda Heart Builders Real Estate fo a ye no nyan na ye di ho adanse o na emom ye customers na eba na last week na ye customer ye ne call side wakotena brochire mfie bebre ni a obai no no anafe odi adanse e wo ye company ne ho se yen company ne de se wonni ba bia wo behwe wakota asase a bra Heart Builders watena brochire mfie bebre ye twa na asase ato kwa ma na afe no wabaga na waba behwe na asase da ho oba ye no course no wenhye oha bia yen asase na customers ko ye adwuma wie anso opese obeye payment mpa waba beye ubekono langa the same bia ni ho so far so good yente obia say o okoe na langa de fo abeha no no wasesa ne nneama na kotua we digi fi ye we debi yen kofo a waton sase wo ye ho no in fact won awedi ho adanse say won an okoye wadwuma na wasan ba last week
e na mamo de no etesa fi say ba bia be ko bia ya na woni pa bi ombo asase ne ho ban
good de maye de ne dance so ne say anyonkofa ye ne ahemfo no ewo ene family hairs no ewo enti emma saa de no ensi wo ye ho nti ye ni obi a wo koso a ebia wo ho uni ho o che da agina ho se me ne a kire me se me ye landlord wa ha na me gba saase ne ho ban ye ni bi wo ho man so sembia eni ho ewo saa kwan ne so enti wo beta saase wo ye ho a no kwasem ni wasumo bedwo wonye o
ensase no se wo hen ne hin
ensase no ebi ewo ningo pram ningo pram ne ben ningo secondary school no wonim ho a ubekutwam pram old ningo new ningo secondary school ho eben wugina asase ne so a wohu ningo secondary school no na government hospital kakraka bia yesi wo ho nya sem keto a eno so eben asase
no na agenda 111 no
yam se hwa a big hospital government hospital kese pa enti eho ebie a se na ho asase ne so da kwan ho ningo asase no da kwan ho main road kwan ho pa enti wo benya bi wo ho a ebeboa wo efeye anwea wo so eda so a wugina ha unhu chiri kra enti ya asase papa ye da so a kan fo ma ahwefo se wo pasase papa ta manso ni ho na wada wo beda wasum bedwa bra ningo pram ye won sase duduo a wo pe na obenya nso ye wo bi wo Shy Hills me ne wo ka say bi wo Shy Hills nso na Shy Hills de no na ye run promotion e wo ho no a promotion that 15,000 Ghana cedis 15,000 Ghana cedis no ne wo hia ne se obeba beto ase ode mufa beba beto ase ode mufa beto ase a de aka no ye ma bosumi nsia ntem fatuatu ayempo se bosumi nsia no wa hu se ahokyire bebem a ema wontimi ntua within the bosumi nsia na ye ma wo akwanya ye no bedi nkomo bosumi apese ye de kan ho no Heart Builders Real Estate for said yakoma ene ya dwuma yete no ye samra ne etie no we help you plan your future enti kwan bia so no ye beboa wo na wetimi atasase no wetimi so aye japade ama wo ho eje nchirima e de aye nneoma
mo numbers a mo de ye dwuma numbers de ansa na me call nu ya ho no conclude
me pa cho ye numbers no ye 0241 665 200 0241 665 200 and 0540 226 276 nyame ya doma yebeko site visit last week yekoya location chese yekotwitwa ansase ne ma wonwa o matobi no ne nefe enika enti mepesa obehia yen ewo memenda ebe ana afia danso a ebe mienu ekwan da ho wo ba kuma bra na yen fa wonko wontu aka o yen de wo kọ yen sase ne so akọhwe na wani gye ho a wani mpo beje ho wa cha se wani beje ho by force esan say ya de papa
Yeah, na we mama me brɛ na ya so.
Eno nti bra ne be hia wo Mandela Park e wa Shaman. Mandela Park no du ha ye office no eno ne di anim hwɛ. Wo hia nya ye de obekɔ akɔhwɛ nsase ne so.
Be da se ohima etra bi wo hɔ no mu a e bi asase wo betoi e wa chiri kakra blocks ade be ya adwuma cement ne obɛboa no ne ade. E ho asɛm te sɛ.
Yo, me da se na me da ne tu etiefo ne nyina so ase. Heart Builders Real Estate eniama papa nkwa na eto. Ye wo blocks e wo asase bia wo beto bia bebia wo benya asase ne bia no. Ye wo block factory kesie pa e wo honum ti se Shah Hill say. Ye wo block factory kesie e wo ho. Na block no ye wo 5 inches and ye wo 6 inches. Ye wo bricks e wo honum. Ye wo cement e wo ho. Enti ehun hia se ubekọ bebi fufuro se ukoto sa anoma we ni nyina wo de ene se ubefrɛ ye e wo phone so se oh me pamuchew me pe block me pe cement me pe polytank ubetu ania na edi niama na abrɛw e wa asase no so enti Heart Builders die se upe building materials a ne buo e wo form kama enko bebia bra Heart Builders ye wo polytank emu enketewa ene akese ne nyina e wo hono ye wo building materials nso e wo ho afi ye tu borehole ye biodigester eniama biara a efa adansie hu bia no me kanfo Heart Builders Real Estate ma se enko be bia fa weni kire ashaiman opposite Mandela Park na bra ye office na ye ne wo edi nkomo kama me the numbers no
etudwa okay
baby a wotie me bia se wo ka mo wo abrochire baby o bia me nua ba me nua bema enko baby abra Heart Builders Real Estate Fund your numbers ni 0540 226 276 0540 226 276 and 0241 665 200 0241 665 200
me na wase yankopon ya aduma na o twese ne so some besan ba mo nyina so asase no ye ma mo bi a mo nye bi o titiri asase ne ma bi a jibi we do so atobi ma bi a jibi na abeka sebe mo so atobi ma mo nto ba ko mo pe niema enkwala brem ye tototo no wo kina no atobi ade kina no atobi fa sika to asase so o hwe no sere ba sika to asase na mo nya bo se enchekura na sika ni bi be ka ho oh we ya ka 15,000 20,000 we ka sa grow acha 1 year 2 years na a hit 50,000 we ho na yesika bebre me ken so dia kodo to nwi ni ade
o se ven ko to nwi
e ma ba wa ya be we ko ni de we enwi egu ho no
na o kan sa
ne iPhone se iPhone no kwati be to asase ya o no kwa o be mi ensan o ai ti be to asase
na mo pe papa de abla ye ho
me encourage mo fine sa ne ma no eye de but sabre ya usua no emwa fa pe asase to ko Heart Builders I can assure you man so be ni ho auto work akra bi fa na wasase da ho enche kura na ebi aba be ka ho ye be dan ho for a short commercial break lawyer Amoh eye me guest na fi ya kan so e de atoa so good morning
no empathy
because of cameras.
Yeah,
Mame no ase said me kan na me guest ora Amoh Darteh ono na me no eba be discussions a ewo ho. Me kai o se na 2TV, Oman FM, Ash FM, Nap Radio ewo Central Region. Asemfosu 90.1. Kencity Abusua no eno midin e de amufa boachi nkomo ewo ho ye kakra bi. Wo hwe political parties na obi keka no ho towards 2024. The MPP enra na vetting na hyase Professor Mike Eronokwe committee no vetting no hyase ene honorable Kennedy ohene Agyapong ebeko ene other members omo ekan ho ya omo enipa omo nso ekoboa na afi yatoto oma no yebedi nkomo e de free oraken na so ye said the medical kan no lawyer Amoh Darteh ekasa e de man nti what na se ye yebedi nkomo e de free ono na so ye ne ahwe said the omo eniema no nso esiko anope yedi nkomo de free Dr. Free Yakoto aso hwe ono nso ne campaign nia eto dwane se wa hyase e de free Greater Accra and run okoye according to the spokesperson no omanfo police station for no hia no pa ene no edi nkomo ye behwe na san komodie no eno nso so brebe mu na yedi ehon nkomo lo ya akwaba ya minua boko de ya miso okay me hoye nyankopon adaro me da se anopen so se wadwen ne also ya na kodi lawyer dressing bibi era kodi lawyer ebebaso for sure you know dem pa bobeta watch yeah ensem you know ho yes doma hene nsem no nim se watete bia matibi eno ho enafe openia oye adwumade ama no yes ora Kennedy wa hene Agyapong so enne obekọ for position our pen mu nkomodie ewo Professor Mike Eronokwe committee no anim na wa culture and skills wa culture ni ntie was a party for no to aba e de mano no nso LED party no for 2024 and this answer no mienu e na ye better ni na wo de chassis
me start from the vetting
okay
because I don't need major focus ya edi kan no ma memfa anchia anoni kabia e ma ya tie for ene ya hwefo na fi so menchia Kennedy ohene Agyapong any the campaign chairman, any the campaign manager, any all the campaign members, and all the delegates. So ye chairman na ne kwapra na asia anu ni kabia emma onyame se wa hwe so na nne so ye tinkwam yaw and then na Kennedy ohene Agyapong
yeah
oko vetting na vetting no the origins started in Britain. Na ansana oponko unse na omo peponko race.
Cause
enti ponko bia betu Americano I just say a free veterinary officer. E ma ne behwehwe ponko no mu make sure say ponko no oye ready to run. Enti vetting is very simple. I say one more person almost standing for the flag bearership race no e was a moko committee nanim na committee no koto to wo mo ano na ye busa wo mo nsem no omo hwe se omo qualify se on betimi astande na omo run the flag bearership race ana enti vetting nye bibia sebe aya bia ehu what you say a conversation say party the mpanimfo omo yi committee bi say sa enipa duyi a on person begina no betu franka ema party no wo qualify efin bia ani wo mo ho what you say na ye mo mo entu sa anammo no unum say okofa forms na nomination forms no ibebusa so many questions ubi yano yesefa o resume ya ye friend CV ya e kire wa brabo mu nsem what you say fa no so eka ho na fa wani so ade hunu ya wo ma oman no any party ni so no fa gu krata so na fa breye fa picture ka ho ne tua usika et information na wo de koma wo mo no some information no mo kofie no mo pense mo ni atoto wa no
information now.
Information now.
Okay.
But the first thing is say they will look at the constitution of the Republic of Ghana to make sure say indeed
O
qualify na per Article 62. Say ansana obabe di omampani because the flag barrage race is leading to becoming the president of the Republic of Ghana. And to omo hwe sare mo we nyina na ankofa sem bia mre. What I say? And to be hwe 62 article of the 1992 constitution. Who said who ye Ghana ni ya wo as Ghana ni number 1. What di mfie 40 plus. Ohina Agyapong ya wo na so ndompem ni papa free ha ni mama free ha enti what take number 1. Number 2, what if you say 63 is above 40. Number no, he say Otuaba. Yes, Otuaba was saying dump him. He's a registered voter. Ewaha. And I was satisfied. Article 92 ana. Yeah, and you say, oh yeah, MP, and now qualified to be an MP. Already he's an MP. Now you remove the whole fine, or you're bankrupt. What I say, you constitution, only you say, oh, qualify. What come first one, and sign your MPP so your constitution,
Okay, and family,
the national constitution, the supreme law of the land, MP constitution also cannot deviate from the Supreme Court, the supreme law of the land. And to satisfy, we not satisfy. We afraid they may find the resume, near busa no. Now, okra party no be afi ben. Who party card na I'm a party card. Constituency be na wo me wo Asen Central. Who vote to he no waka. O party card ni, registered voters card ni. Enti enye bibia sebi IS witch hunting bia ye ko fifi ni be mu say oh can do here Japan why you say ana your friend is say boache jako why you say ana say come Japan etc obia information awo dey akon. It's like an interview. And the besham de busa was CV o can say o school ha here verify what is the certificate and o resume wo so why you parliamentarian they know it why you juma or ECOWAS parliament they know it all the committees are council were providing with the year time no ranking member time we chairman were providing way companies are were listing wo nyina into what kind of democrat so we eti de waka okrata so no na akompra kwa Japan committee ni ekoto tena no yi ano enti for us ye camp there ye feel say we nya de bia a call for panic ye camp there ye wa rehemu wo kene de Japan mu onu say obi what parliament for 23 years e wo Ghana ha to speak to convince anye bibia ya edini o and he is a negotiator. What I say, how to convey the message. And professor, only the team no there. It's a one big MPP family, and the amount vetting here. Then they say, vetting. No, na make us say the determination. If you read the MPP constitution, is to find out say Obia qualify.
Yes.
And say be almost disallow. Say be okay. Who be or one and to and more years. You have 48 hours to appeal. And justifies, oh, be a demo can be a just say to appeal. Okay. And to all they are just going to make a recommendation. What decision is not the final, they will make a recommendation to NEC. Now NEC will come out with the final decision. And then can they do here in Japan? Honorable.
Yeah, mama time day.
Yeah, my 2 p.m. and the 2 p.m. you back.
Okay.
And a vet no so I will call. No, I say Bible so be a best one in this way be. Yes, you go Jano, but you do why you movie. Okay. Or no pen panel nani. I say interview. You took question man no answer. Oh, first of all, you go through, you go over all the documents.
Some Brian that is here na ya makwama or the lawyer ba omo can be bisa.
Oh, there be. So we there we fiase. Okay. What do you say? Professor on in parliament, onim who the type of person he is. Onim say oye no kwafo, onim say odone man, onim say we gina ma party no. Nti we busa say e de be na waya ma party no. Akompre kwa Japan Kennedy or tallest since 1992 to date. Or best listing and indeed ni so what I say we are na busa say o constituency de be na waya. O need that so a Ghana a hot now back the unemployment, a whole the vision of transformation, a whole back tourism wasem, a whole back agro processing wasem.
More expect $3 million. Is it $3 million? Skabia no can say.
Yes.
Who expect to say a PO?
I don't know the type of questions they will ask, but empo a PO also can Agyapong
because now a issue a work room.
Obey explain.
Obey kaya or no kaya no rock about Agyapong vacancy bibia sansi. Enti whether or not some baby sano, you expect to say if you on casa crab explaining.
Oh, so Busano I think has the facts. Obebo Fredo Waridin Onguye.
Okay.
Obebo Mr. Faridonko Onguye Oho. Kwadon Pieni Onguye Omunyina Oho. Mr. Pombio Onguye Omunyina Oho. Enti Obe kind of story as it is. He's a straight talker. What I say enti for us no bibia no waka anya no kre. For us no bibia no waka ehun. Enti he will go and explain. You know him. He will take his time to lay down the facts bare. Lay down the facts bare. He will tell his story. He will explain since 1990, almost 30 years, Dankwa Buzia Club in the New York City. Yano Mukora or player or back to Ghana to join as a young man. Rua will play 1992, 1996, 2000, 2004, 2008, 2012.
There's a question me, I'm sure some baby son over maybe Musawa.
No, but whatever they ask you, say they have been a pre-vetting, so they also they have been a pre-vetting.
Yes.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, we so many questions on full say on TRC. Yeah. He just spoke to them. People were like, oh really? Oh, say Ghana have propaganda or baby you can fab your muko fat tape be na tape be about 8 minutes tape. No matter chop baby portion per no they call but in law. Bimpom Buta versus the General Legal Council, say we say, cheating and the contract. What is the who be a document to be read the document as a whole. Read the document as a whole because content matters a lot. That's the contextual your friend is interpretation. Content matters a lot. And so honorable can be too. That's the one where the content and the context, the timing and the framing of the words are, you will be deceived. Now, just a portion of it without listening to the whole. You've made a big mistake. And the interpretation say, context is the key. Listen to read the whole document as a whole. Say we say, chiri on contract, bimbomputa, and the General Legal Council. And today is going to be a great opportunity for Honorable Agyapong to express himself. Indeed, this man has played a significant role.
Just a few people within the party.
Yes.
And Kwaku
yes.
And even more cancer. The party for in our TV no motive be no more someone. Enka you know me say Honorable be Amoh who is the spokesperson for the committee. You know can say the nya de on be telecast amankrofo ahwe. Sa skills na ke babonte anke. Yeah,
say we hear mu constitution as a rules of engagement. And we ask so no bibia be our guidelines. And almost set up guidelines for the vetting. Who should be in and who should not be in. Whether or not say I say we call interview na you call to one for baby. And why a personal name why until a court to crowd so already civil procedure CI 47 and then you mean can obedient. Even though say a plain say it was say public should be public hearing, but in certain matters like matrimonial causes our 70,000 you can chamber. What you are saying to where you fear them, they're going to sit down there as a family and I will stress as a family. And I you pay omo partner family ni ebe transe and I will see a member deep party na nim there why it's justification process it's a due diligence. What I said come and tell us say me pese me deep party na nim na me suban nie say na me sitie na me qualify because of this my clear constitution my clear MPP constitution me resume nie me brother me dia ye nie de metimi ayama Ghana man nie me do party no me join party this also year adia a chese be party member nie me vote to Ghana ha me dim fie say but you ask you question about your family you talk about your family but the critical aspect ne say onye dual citizen ni nyina o constitution ni mu enti e suggest obetiki box enti what we enable us tell us about yourself Justify why maybe you are the person to lead. Why do you stand out differently from the others? These are the questions that that's what they want to find out. And yes, be a kochi honorable see when I kochi any of the members and see what na bring him near point. That is not the determination. That is not the focus of a. But coming back to honorable.
Conclude, mami.
Yeah, coming back to honorable. Today is our day, and I think this is going to be a wonderful opportunity, window of opportunity for honorable to explain himself to the committee. I'm a committee there who said no quarry, papa o deserve. Already no where ya ni nyuma wa ye any niema wa ya ma party is over and above, and for us we think it is a done deal. Be clear.
But that's it. Mami Tom Adia. Yeah, but anafi yeah the other story no the atwa so it's about 10 minutes after 9 after 10 kai fashion so family fashion so 10 minutes after 10. Me kai will say give us scientific herbal center for na ya aduma no pay ya ebusua for ye din komo na no pay me guest lawyer Amoh Darteh. Give us scientific herbal center for ewo enromiensa ni nyina ye edura eye obo ade edura wo de ache yen haban na afi nnua one more cold capsules herbal mixture na afi so pea capsules enroni nyina ye adwuma kama cold capsules herbal mixture na pea capsules herbal mixture na malaria any typhoid cold capsules no beboa ama ofunu mu ada ho na kokwa afiri ho pea capsules no eboa na siesie so we ye oba so we ye bema kan na hye no na pebito fama me ukom ya ye ton no bia nipa no ma won sabe kan be free 0508 0501 0501 556 828 0501 556 828 and 0543 222 470 0543 222 470 oko kan shi drug lane no so a eno no gu ho saa ya nkrofo to a oko baabi na se asan se de no contem no akọ baabi foforo if you say how the okwa onsa ebeka bi cancel.
Yes sir.
Yankuyanim.
In summarizing this, I think Honorable Beko Nwaba, he's going to be himself. Simple, he's going to be himself. Now the Akano ye also to pass a comment on the Domahini. He's a very nice gentleman. Yeah, so Oko on the court now said, do you have a policy to where we're falling in love with him as a judge? Now, meaning say, only say the decision of the court no be able to criticize the decision of the court. The court make a judgment. And him being a Ghanaian, the constitution kind of freedom of expression, freedom of speech. And he can or no opinion at the say why express it on judgment Supreme Court at the bar. And he that is his thinking.
Supreme Court asem no kan ma me musa asem na watumi ayi ano ye na ogina a platform a omode honor Professor Evans Fifi Atamils the 10-year anniversary no more celebrating. The NDC neto on Saturday frame nti no ogina a political platform so or your hene or your judge or be political party or out to abadema wo mu maybe ntimi but and also a part of him and was science so ye Ghana near or be an ordinary Ghanaian or nam the baby any man as our platform no or kasa ewo Professor Mills I don't know so a lawyer so and a judge or kasa ewo platform a ye de kai openia wanya ne baby kro na science was celebrating no na or kasa wase ohwe ne nkasa yi no mu ene nsem no kan ye no a okasa ase ohene okasa ase politician okasa ase judge anaso okasa ase Ghana ni asem aba no so ka bi
okay enti okasa but okasa fa bibi ho and let me just come back Domahini like you said a public servant yeah or a judge and also ohene and then I can say he has this whole thing is a constitutional matter. And the Supreme Court akata. And the baby okojina so the platform no okojina no so no. and also important to address. The audience important to address, and at the occasion important to address. Yeah, unum say the number person may establish any say. The comment be or pass you know, if I James Homo, if free the decisioner, Supreme Court, at the buyer, say woman court no munko yini and free the list of parliamentarians are ewo Ghana ha ma onante Ghana ha no carry himself as an MP into woman court no munko yini free mu and the original platform no so a political platform because a NDC for a share more almost celebrity Professor Mills and at that moment you cannot differentiate that platform from a rally platform. Okay? Ultimately, and differentiate the see what's but be no the audience, the platform,
they see what's
no, but be a free.
Okay.
Okay. Ultimately, and differentiate from a political platform. Okay. And no kojina hono, and all can far say, Senka or no or ye Supreme Court judge, and now we do Senubia and Quebec left instead of right. That means obey dissent. And Quebec left. No, he stated it. What you say? And Quebec left instead of right. That means on obey dissent. Yanka oni womu adwene enko benkrum. By your media and I make say or no one views and I me view say court. Decision be a court be make it be a judicial decision. And a court enko trase enka say because yempe James Assemti no enunti ebebu asem netia no. Court share the facts. Now court share the evidence. And sana court ebu asem. And then the law no be constitutional law, other acts in the account, any precedent. And it's okasa ube descender. Yeah, say okasa ube jina bonkuma, and higher ube jina bonkum. But you have to give reasons. The reasons must be lawful reasons. Biblia is based on law. So what I say, anti media the okaya for me it is his opinion.
But Obia Kasa,
yes,
now the Omo can say or hinting Kasa ye.
Say what you crack as some could talk say as a chief no your constitution it say untimi medal untimi fa hungry ra amman your same. No, Omo a Kasa actually what the ono waka no. Yes. Ebi no mo tufu say mo Kasa we chire no nye careful because or your hine. Yeah. And ntina ya na me busa say platform na ogina so say ohine. Ogina say politician. Well, I can't say Ojina say maybe who say Ojina as an individual, but in the capacity of Ohene and the capacity as a judge, because will be often panisi why the capacity as a Ohene or your Ghana ni and also a judge. Intermediate Ojina ho as an individual, but and some free na numu bano and hear me. Okay,
I feel young quiet as some of the two just say to me, Attorney General, a yinani to me so. Non file nolly prosequa na unya semno emre fie wo bra asemno eguso no de two jam sa asemno de two jano so dika ana.
Yeah, it defeats the doctrine of separation of powers.
Okay,
it defeats that doctrine because okwa emra pon mu banwa I think it's article 127. It shall say the judiciary is independent. And yet the executive or agent of the executive be able to influence the judiciary. Number two, nolly prosecution. It is a jai assembly day. But ultimately trusting as the president no and country attorney general. Attorney general is in a way no independent and constitution actually juma was in prosecution. Now ujina ho obi Sabi, it probably be anti-mean country and Attorney General said, this is what I want you to do. Now the question is it based on the law? Not the prosecutor, no. It should be based on the law. Say be a prosecutor be. maybe Attorney General who said no, we haven't gotten the right information. If you share a DB was in Saka and Sankai, assembly de court no quarry, we are some no, even for young people prosecuting Entino, Mamina assembly chidi, Kaka, not a procurator, assembly were chidi, making me back at any point in time to prosecute the matter again, at any point in time. What you say? So first, when you have all the relevant facts, when you have all the relevant evidence, and the support, and the law to back it up, we can always come back to court. But that is not for somebody to tell Attorney General what to do. And there must be a justification. If the Attorney General shouldn't tell the court the reason why, there must be a justification why it's here or yes, is it lawful? And again, you know, Ghana, nobody is above the law. Adentina, and if indeed one of the doctrines here, separation of powers, nobody is above the law, which is the rule of law. Adentina James Nkwa, Onunu Nkwa na bekase, Attorney General nyai assembly chidi. What about Kwesi Bedu? Ya ofra granwa. Only bibia and the case air travel through, you know. Although they ain't can't tell now, because the reason why James Nkwa Attorney General Enyana, is it lawful? Or say aban anyaya no amfa any day mag ascend for any Ghana for because ascend for naturally so no one or more pen. Yeah, the law is not what it ought to be. Law need say, and so we read the judgment. It's all about timeline, no. Even Zinato case, they use Zinato. Or use J.H. Mensah cases. They use Somalia Billable case. Actually, the timeline. Constitution is saying also matters of constitution. You know, you cannot trips upon the constitutional fairness provisions. Constitution will say 94(2)(a). Actually, will say at the time of filing, at the time of declaration. Ya okodina isi wo say may file me declare say the media baby aya no kure no at that time no now only allegiance to other country besides Ghana. If the answer is yes, you cannot file, you are disqualified. And it is a constitutional matter and it's a timeline issue. And so if you read the case at the time of filing, no na papa no only allegiance na or your member be or Canadian citizen and Ghana citizen at the same time. If the answer is yes, sir, then you can answer of filing. We didn't throw, but or declaration or science, actual declaration or science say me didn't say it didn't time say information be me di bremu biano and you correct true. And it turns out what I say. And what I want people also to understand then is say Ghana yemramuno your Bisa Evidence Act, Oko section 40. Or Charles said the laws, foreign laws, presumption of foreign laws. Presumption of foreign laws, they say, foreign law is presumed to be the same as the Ghana law. Now, let me take this time to explain. If you want to be a citizen of the United States and not a citizen of Canada, you better file it. Now, I'll go through so many processes. So, what file you're not a citizen. You better file, you better transit, you better interview, you better test. Still, you're not a citizen. And stand and bring who could travel before a judge. No peja on sa no I swear. Say me by US citizen say we and the US flag are shown, say the Canadian flag are shown same and sign a certificate of citizenship Amoh. From that moment, from the very moment the certificate in shown same no, then you are pronounced as a United States or Canadian citizen. Then they find a naturalization. You hear the same thing in Ghana. And it's opposite who denounce so. Any day now, overture letter, they are say, me denounce no. Now, denunciation I go through. You have to go through the same process and then receive a certificate of denunciation. And the able say, who say, that day, no, not Quasin James, not all filing, not all making declaration actually easy, no. No risk or evidence of declaration, which is a certificate, no kutanana. If the answer is no, yaw, not still or a Canadian citizen. Unim say, even the president, unim say, even members of parliament, you know, and sana, obabe member of parliament, you know, the first oath, was swear, no, a oath of allegiance, and sana any other oaths I'll be swear. And the allegiance is so important. Emma country bia in our constitution, allegiance is so important. And take no chair will say, "Edana uko fale adieno." You shouldn't be a dual citizen or triple citizen or more. You shouldn't hold any citizenry because of allegiance. Yeah, which is loyalty to Ghana. It's about the sovereignty of the state. And if you read the case, almost stressy, almost define an allegiance. Zinato case, almost define. And almost define Somalia Bible case. And almost define what I did say allegiance. Yeah, did agro. And until that of falling, but papa, or falling we are to abano. That's the argument of Muyana Mestre. And this is the argument that maybe my lord, or have vetting the minds to this, Nana, or have vetting the minds to this. The ratio decidendi, the reason behind why in Tia Supreme Court can say yes, sponging the in free say the time of entry, the time of filing no. Na papa no onye Ghana ni true. And nuntino if we say void ab initio, it is void from the beginning. And it was a perjury and a falsification and so about or lie to the state at that time. And he also vitiates everything from the beginning. And he now say, and to read the judgment, of course, who read it? I didn't know. Who read it? And no more kind explanation. I didn't mind how to go and say. Then I think, say, the Supreme Court made a right decision. What I say, Omuni didn't free mo. Once say, yeah, Omoko to a banner bio no. Sata no okuta ni certificate. And now him say, oh, you Ghana ni Trudeau. But at the moment, the Supreme Court, High Court, and him, the mamini nana enya drain kakra, and he said, Ojina High Court and him, yeah, charging on a criminal matter. And that this criminal matter no so is grounded up a court to mua. I know why you're careful kakra, because you don't want to say bibia, a little bit influence, and a prejudicial. Ama asemna yeka enti being a judge no me Amoh enka me nkasa
me da say 2-3 minutes we dey yemfa no entwa to Europe ni no asem no
yes
asem no da so court
yes
na ekoba say judge na oteso as a high court judge additional responsibility the time aso am okogina home
yes
ahomegye mu ne dey judge for by ena obeka asasem no ogiri se woto aso a emmoa nti nkobe nyankobe frase foforo odi asem no etu dwa no that was the na opuni ani sedu agongo lawyers na wo hwehwe se be hya asem na se foforo asem no nso a travel be 5-6 years
yeah
nti attorney general call court of appeal and a court of appeal overturning high court na decision no in fact unanimous nipa ne miensa nyina adwen ko benkrom say judge no ana court no misdirecting ho in that direction high court any asema yedi any enhase e wo se frase foforo wadwen ne say wo ho no de ya carry ntina mpeso manfo te sa asema ne
ya jeja nochi ochirema de
okay
he move out property yes he's a fine judge that he has here now okay say we edi asene change judge na two things either say all the evidence na any information now mo be adapt na mo atwaso or obe ka say no you want to start it from afresh but so hwe opuni case na let's say a civil procedure CR47 a high court any circuit court a guided worms of court or that one says oh ye bibia na udi asema it must be speedy expeditious also move very fast to make sure say justice no is not delayed at I say nothing sem cost pepe enti minni ye friends court for ya adwene because o hwe case a travel for 5 years at I say na case no so national character the interest of the public 5 years that's the most start case now there's going to be a delay
o lecturer and asem ne say o hwe say the asem ne tie ne nkrofo o mpese obia be susu say bia bibi wo honom ne ade nto pese ono ahya ase ne tie ne foforo then I was asking myself say ene this modern era ya bibia no electronic bibia ya document ubetumi anya bibie because baby ana wadro no afani mienu agye ni nyina atum na abedru dia abeto wanim no one ma prosecute and one more defend lawyers ne ade ni nyina agye ni nyina atum and abedru wanim to dia ne say you read through ya wo say utie no obetie because and this can court no a na ya typewriter ne ade na ya 6 bebre no nti baby ya dre sa ru ya wo ka ho asemi unyini se ya tra ho se baby ya dro no me adopt ko kane no ana na bia twiri ba de na de e say the nipa ne gina wani mu
yeah say even electronic crowd no I was say the lawyers on both sides and the judge agitum say information no omo gi atum adoption just say ya gi evidence ni nyina atum ensemo ya ka ya gi titi ni nyina no ya gi ni nyina atum enti ya to aso. What you say? And to your moment, the judge and then the lawyers on both sides, and the better side decides, oh, I'm not checking evidence. We move about we will have more say. And for the sake of say, be expedite processing into no, my engine too.
And mebo, judge ano no hono, oni. And a judge for fraba.
Yes.
But we were hono, none yet that way, and me in Agyapong on one casa Agyapong.
Yes.
And I waba very placing. Still, I just on woman in a kabum so
yes.
Agyapong.
Yes.
To say, yeah, court of appeal, I can say, oh, baby, I'll fire no, so G2
yes.
Actually saying,
they have to meet and no to no montoaso. I
bet him rather that
the idea of how did I say, your friend is saying, you know, Sasemba, 2 ways. I just some Agyapong and I started from the beginning. And a court says at 5 years I check. Court of appeal say okay, but started from the beginning. Munye information only in antum, mun steady, na mun continue. There must be a continuity of the matter. Then there be a big term, not judgment about the cost. It's another cost to the state. And free until you know, that instruction it has become the law.
Okay. And one,
but I say it has become the law, and it is binding on all lower courts.
Lower courts.
This is be almost pay. No, almost appeal because Supreme Court, the Supreme Court said no. Start from the beginning. The Nova. That one will be binding on all the courts. But once a pronouncement is coming from the Court of Appeal, unless say about the court, the Supreme Court, it is the law now. And see, Judge Anoche has a friend say, only BBI dance say, only woman you have bishop no more adapted. Na proceedings no na fe omo to aso until say baby omo dey call money until now there also continue and the continuation means also our pricing itself with all the information bibia on tiase no bet me afre omo na ebusa omo say we say no be on bibia so no obehwe the law na ye dey account no and to be continue na he will be the one if in case it may be a case na to write the judgment and I want say judgment so no to write a judgment, there be a mechanic has said, and yet easy to write a judgment. You have to look at the law. We have to look at both sides of the argument. You have to look at the evidence, the probative value. Need the any probative value. Never bow more what team after. We also have precedent. Some before you can come to a conclusion. Otherwise, will be fact case. You know, now I can say there has been a miscarriage of justice because you did not avert yourself to this particular evidence, and that's a law or fact error. The law.
I say unfair miscarriage of justice.
Yes, miscarriage of justice, but others say in the face of error, in the face of law, or in the face of the fact. But normally, other man for prefer the law. Not for what you call. And now say be out to be case. Not me will evidence be what at that point na na idea seven no me hwehwe ya man hu me de metum bia man hu afi de man hu ade no it say ye de beka asem na yedi no ho a this betimi asesa judgment na the lower court no e make ye anase bibi wo ho evidence bi wo ho a lower court judge no wan hwe senka o hwe ni ye a enke bi anya conclusion we no de baaye anase emra we wo ho wan hwe senka o hwe emra ni ye a e bi anya conclusion we no de baaye until say ebe court Supreme Court no is the law
mame no ase.
Now, finally, no, and at 2 p.m.
So I Canada.
Yes, I'm just. It said I have to summarize. 2 p.m. No, Kennedy or Agyapong is going to be vetted, and Tienad and Paibo, Etanachi, and we know it's going to be a good show. Yeah.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you, my brother.
We didn't add Amoh Darteh. We didn't add Amofa Boache. Solomon Sasumensan, but the Kwaku focus. Afi questioning. Ejano yana mwase mo amobua nyina nso yeda obi ase nyame ya admo channel pa ibehia ya kai se de opani bi kan no onyankopon o mankwa na o ma apomuden a choice nti ade achi ya obe choose na so resource na sabeka nyame ya admo pa ibehia background